Open economy, macroeconomic. An introduction. Open economy, macroeconomics studies how a nation interacts economically with the rest of the world. It involves trade in goods and services, cross-border capital flows, and exchange rate dynamic. Understanding this interaction is crucial due to the global interconnectedness of markets, which influence domestic economic conditions. This field highlights key characteristics such as trade, capital movement, and currency exchange rate. Policymakers must consider international factors alongside domestic policies to maintain economic stability and growth in an open global environment. Understanding the balance of payment. Current account tracks trade in goods and services, income from abroad, and unilateral transfers such as remittance. It reflects a country's net foreign earnings. Financial and capital account. The financial account monitors capital flow like investment and loans, while the capital account involves non-financial assets and debt forgiveness. Together, they balance the country's international transaction. BOP identity and examples. The accounting identity ensures CA plus FA plus KA equals 0, balancing inflows and outflows. For instance, the US runs a current account deficit balanced by capital inflows, while China has a surplus reflecting its trade practice. Exploring exchange rate regimes. Fixed exchange rates. Currencies are pegged to another stable currency, providing exchange rate stability but limiting monetary policy freedom. Example, Hong Kong dollar. Floating exchange rate. Market forces determine currency value, allowing automatic adjustment but causing volatility. Example, euro. Managed float. Central bank intervene occasionally to stabilize or stir rates without a fixed peak. Trade balance and exchange rate interaction. Key concept. Real exchange rate measures the relative price of domestic goods versus foreign goods. Nominal exchange rate. Currency exchange rate determined by markets or policies. Trade balance. NX. Next, export equal export minus import. Relationship. Exchange rate fluctuation impact trade flow. A stronger currency can reduce exports by making goods more expensive internationally, exemplified by the strong US dollar effect on export. The Mundell-Fleming model explained. 1. Model assumption analyzes a small open economy with perfect capital mobility, focusing on interest rates and exchange rate affecting output. 2 is an LM curve. Each curve represents goods market equilibrium, while LM shows money market balance under open economy condition. 3. Policy implication. The model demonstrates how fiscal and monetary policy interact differently under fixed and floating exchange rate regimes. Fiscal policy in an open economy. Fixed exchange rate effect. Fiscal policy tends to be effective due to limited monetary policy economy, making government spending impact output significantly. Floating exchange rate effect. Fiscal policy often less effective as currency adjustment offset spending effect while monetary policy gains prominence. Real world example: Singapore's expansionary fiscal policy under fixed exchange rate stimulated growth while monetary policy remained constrained. Monetary policy role in open economy. 1. Fixed exchange rate limitation. Monetary policy losses effectiveness as exchange rate commitments constrain independent interest rate setting. 2. Floating exchange rate advantage. Monetary policy is powerful and flexible, with central bank adjust interest rates to influence output and inflation. 3. Practical example: Australia frequently adjusts interest rate under a floating regime to stabilize inflation and economic growth. Capital control. Process and counts. Definition and purpose. Capital controls impose restrictions on cross-border capital movement to protect financial stability and maintain policy autonomy. Supporting arguments: they help avoid volatile capital flight, minimize currency crisis, and enable independent macroeconomic policy. Criticism and example: controls can reduce investment efficiency and market flexibility. Malaysia's capital controls during the Asian financial crisis helped stabilize its economy. Challenge and policy implication in open economies. Global imbalance. President current account deficit and surplus can destabilize economies and create tension. Policy coordination. International cooperation is essential to managing global risks and ensuring economic stability. Currency crisis. Sudden capital flight and contagion effect lead to financial instability and economic downturn. Robust macroeconomic framework are critical for open economic to navigate external shocks and integrate effectively with global markets, striking a balance between openness and stability.